Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to connect headphones in Zoom meeting so you get crystal clear audio every time you join a call. Step 1. Start by plugging your headphones into your computer before joining the Zoom meeting. This helps your system recognize the device as the main audio input and output. Step 2. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom left corner of the Zoom window. You'll see a microphone icon. Right next to it, click the small arrow to open the audio options. Step 3. From the pop-up menu, select your headphone brand under both the microphone and speaker sections. This ensures your voice goes out through the headset mic and you hear others through your headphones. Step 4. If you're still getting sound from the computer speakers, check your system's audio settings. On Windows or Mac, go to your sound settings and make sure your headphones are selected as both input and output devices. Step 5. After making these changes, return to Zoom and test your audio. You should now hear everything through your headphones, and your mic should work perfectly with no speaker echo. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue.